Hello students, welcome to Learn with RP Sir Mtech JU. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 5 and question number 6 of exercise 8.1 of the chapter Trigonometry of class 10 CBSE syllabus. So let us get started with the curriculum. So to start with, let us discuss question number 5. So here it's given sec A is 13 by 12. Now we need to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So to start with, let us first of all draw a right angle triangle. So in this particular right angle triangle, first of all we have to find out all the sides. So let us first of all name them. So let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now according to sec A, if I say sec A, so sec A stands for hypotenuse by base. Sec A stands for hypotenuse by base, and hypotenuse by base is equals to 13 by 12. 13 by 12. So if we compare the ratios, we can directly say the hypotenuse will be equals to 13k and the base will be equals to 12k. Now let us represent here. So as you can see, the hypotenuse here is 13k and the base here, since we are targeting this particular angle A, so the base here will be 12k. The base here will be 12k. Now we have to find this particular side which is the perpendicular. Now since we have targeted angle A, so that is why this line which is opposite to that of angle A is the perpendicular. I have demonstrated this particular topic, this particular thing, how we can determine the base, the perpendicular with respect to any particular angle in the first lecture of trigonometry. So I am putting the links of all the previous lectures of trigonometry that I have demonstrated on the description. You can click the particular link and get onto that particular video. So I will tell you to watch on all these videos before you reach here, so that it will be helpful for you to understand each and everything properly. So we have to find out the side BC, and now we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is AC square, will be equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square, which is 13 square, is equals to AB square, which is 12 square, plus BC square, which is unknown to us. So from here we can find out what is the value of BC square, which is 13 square minus 12 square, which is equals to 25. We just have to expand 13 square, which is 169, minus 12 square, which is 144. The result is 25. So from here we can get BC. Okay, one more thing, we have to put k here, so I'm just putting it in bracket and I'm putting k square. Okay, I have not put k here, so here also we will put k square because I'm representing the sides on 13k and 12k, right? So here also we will put k square, and that will be 25k square. Okay, so BC we can get it as square root of 25k square. The result of this will be 5k. So BC, that is the perpendicular, will be 5k. So this is 5k. So now we have completed all the three sides of the triangle. Now it's very easy to find out the trigonometric ratios. So we have sec A. Now we have to complete all the trigonometric ratios. So let us quickly get it. So sec A is 13 by 12. So obviously cos A, which will be the reciprocal of sec A, will be the reverse of this one, which is 12 by 13. So I can directly put it. There is nothing to do about this. Next we have sin A. So what is sin A? So sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 5k, hypotenuse is 13k. So that will be 5k by 13k, that is 5 by 13. Next we have tan A. Tan A will be equals to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 5k, base is 12k. So 5k by 12k, that will be equals to 5 by 12. Now we will have cosec A. Cosec A is the reverse of sin A. So we have got what is the value of sin A. So cosec A will be 1 by that value. So it will be the reverse. So if sin A is 5 by 13, then cosec A should be 13 by 5. Sec A we have already given in the question, and the one left is cot A. So cot A is the reverse of tan A. So we have tan A equals to 5 by 12. So cot A should be 12 by 5. So we have found out all the rest of the trigonometric ratios, and with this we are concluding the question number 5. I hope you have understood how we will do the question number 5. Now let us go to question number 6. So here we have question number 6. Let us read the question. If A and B are acute angles such that cos A equals cos B, then show that A equals B. So again, let us represent a triangle to understand this. Now it has been mentioned that A and B are acute angles, and acute angles are those angles which should be less than 90 degrees. So if we are representing a right angle triangle, then the right angle cannot be A or B. So I will represent the right angle as C. So let us first of all represent the triangle, name the triangle. So it will be A here, then we will have B here, and we will have C here. So let us suppose now C is 90 degree. So this is A, which is acute angle. This is B, which is also an acute angle. Now it says cos A equals cos B. Now what do you mean by cos A? So cos A means base by hypotenuse. Now if you are targeting A, so this is angle A. So if this is angle A, the base should be AC. The base is AC. Why? Because the angle is resting on AC. And the hypotenuse is always the line which is opposite to 90 degree. So the hypotenuse is AB. Similarly, cos B. When we are representing angle B, now the base will be, if this is angle B, the base will be this one, which is BC. And the hypotenuse again will be AB. Okay, so this is what the question has told us. Now we have to show if A is equals to B or not. So how can we show this? So let us take it as two different equations. Let's say this is equation number 1. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now according to the question, it has been mentioned that cos A equals cos B. So as per the question, we have cos A equal to cos B. So I can conclude AC by AB will be equals to BC by AB. Now this AB will get cancelled. As a result, the result that will come will be AC equals to BC. Let this be equation number 3. Now from here we can get our answer. How? Now see, AC equals to BC. This is the equation that we have received right now. So if AC equals to BC, that means this is AC and this is BC. If these two lines are equal, then I can conclude that triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? This is a triangle which has two sides as equal and two angles as equal. So if these two sides are equal, so as a property of isosceles triangle, we can say the angle A and angle B must be equal. Therefore, we can conclude angle A will be equals to angle B, which is the answer to our second question. This is the answer to question number 6. So I hope this answer is also clear. So with this, I will conclude this particular video. Hope you have understood how we have done these two questions, and also I will request you to watch the previous videos so that you can understand how these questions have been done. I'm doing step by step properly so that there is no room for any kind of confusion with you guys. So I will see you again on the next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.